In this world, we find that some people succeed in their careers, a few succeed brilliantly, while many do not succeed at all. What is the explanation for this? What is the reason for this? I think that a number of reasons can be cited. But if we want to identify the fundamental reason, the one fundamental reason, it is that those who succeed brilliantly in their careers have been able to establish a perfect alignment between themselves and their careers. If there is a perfect alignment between you and your career, brilliant success is inevitable. There cannot be any question, any dispute about it. How do you effect a perfect alignment between yourself and your job, yourself and your career? The first and the most basic step is to choose the career which is perfect for you. I repeat, perfect for you. What is perfect for you may not be perfect for me. So you have to choose the career which is tailor made for you. Once you choose your career which is tailor made for you, things become quite easy. And you will, over time, be able to establish a perfect alignment between yourself and your job, between yourself and your career. How can you establish a perfect alignment between yourself and your job if you are a misfit in your job? It is essential for establishing a perfect alignment between yourself and your job to find yourself in the job which is perfect for you. The job that is perfect for you may not be perfect for me, but that's quite a different matter. How can you choose the career that is perfect for you? I have worked out a three-step process, a simple three-step process which can help you to identify your perfect career. Step one of the process is know yourself. You have to understand yourself. Self-knowledge has to be the first knowledge. The ancient Greeks said, "Nati sauton." This ancient Greek aphorism means know thyself. You should try to find out what kind of a person you are. What is it that you enjoy? What puts you off? What is your special skill set? Or what can be developed into your special skill set? What kind of a job would be suitable for you? Do you want to live in India all your life? Or do you want to go abroad? Are you particular that you want to live in your hometown or at least your home state? Well, self-knowledge is not something that can be attained easily. And so I am working on a list of questions which you should ask yourself in order to understand the sort of person you are. It is not merely from yourself that you come to know who you are. You can also receive inputs from your parents, your siblings, your friends, the members of your peer group. And you must have, first of all, a clear picture of the sort of person you are and the sort of things that you enjoy and the sort of things that you do not enjoy. If the first step is know yourself, the second step is know the career. In every job, in any job, the apparent state of affairs is seldom the real state of affairs. You must get a thorough knowledge of the career before you decide to leap into it. Today you have a plethora of sources, online sources offering information. I am working on a list of such sources. You must ensure that you tap all these sources for the required information. Meet the persons who are in the profession you desire to join. If legal practice is an option before you, do not become a lawyer without understanding what the legal profession involves. Meet a couple of lawyers, have long conversations with them, offer to work as an intern without salary during your vacations. This will provide you with a first-hand experience of how a law office works. Try to find out how much rookie lawyers make. What is the maximum that a lawyer can make in that particular context? It varies dramatically from town to town, from city to city. Lawyers in Delhi, for example, make much more. The top lawyers in Delhi make much more than the top lawyers in a small town. So the second step is get a thorough knowledge of the prospective career. Step number 3, know the world. It is not enough that you know thoroughly the career that you propose to take up. You should also know its location in the world, or rather in the particular part of the world where, according to your visualization, it will be located. For example, if you're planning to become a doctor, your work experience as a doctor in a government service in India, in one of the state government services in India, will be significantly different from your experience as a doctor in the National Health Service of the UK. And both of these, again, will be significantly different from your work experience as a doctor in a private clinic in, say, New Zealand. So you have to visualize where your prospective career will be located and how it will be located. Besides, we are living in a very dynamic world. The world has always been dynamic, but now it is fast changing. What will happen to your career 20 years from now, or 25 years from now, or 30 years from now, you must try to get a clear picture. How will your career be affected by the advances in robotics, for example? You have to try to come at, try to arrive at clear cut conclusions. I know that it is difficult, I know that it is demanding, but this is something that has to be done. So the three steps in the process are: 1. Know yourself. 2. Know your career. Know the career. 3. Know the world. In my forthcoming discussions, I shall try to give you detailed guidance in all these three steps, all these three aspects of the process.